Yo, what is good, YouTube? Justin here, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite pair of sneakers at the moment, also my most worn pair, which is the Yeezy Foam Runner. Before we get into today's video, I just want to wish everybody a happy 2022. I know last year was a bit crazy for us all, so this year, I just want to wish you all positive vibes, happiness, and prosperity moving forward. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a brand new pair of Yeezy Foam Runners in the Sand colorway. Funny thing is I'm actually wearing my first pair of foam runners, and I've been wearing them for about 6 months now, and we'll be making another video about the wear and tear and what to expect. So be on the lookout for that in a future video. So here comes the fun part where we unbox the shoes. So let's go. I wasn't lucky enough to get these for resale, so I had to purchase these at the resale. So shout out to GOAT, by the way, purchased these off of the app. For those of you that don't know, GOAT is an app where you could purchase shoes on the resale market. So if you weren't able to cop your favorite pair of sneakers for retail, GOAT is the place to go to guarantee you a pair, but obviously you would have to pay for resale prices. So here is the box. Pretty plain, not much branding on the outside, as you can see. Top, bottom. Let's open it up. So the first thing you see right when you open it up is you see the foam text on the top flap of the lid. And the inner portion, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it says Runner RNNR. Go. This right here is the Foam Runner in the Sand colorway, and I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view right here so you can see. Such an interesting shoe. Take a look at the inside, bottom. Now I'm not gonna lie, the first time I ever seen these shoes, I was just like, damn, Kanye, what the hell were you thinking? It's just such a weird looking shoe during that time, and I believe it was released back in the summer of 2020. I saw photos of him at the Astroworld concert, and just saw a few photos of him wearing it, and I was just thinking like, what the heck? But as with a lot of Yeezys, especially new silhouettes, that are never before seen, it always raises questions and controversy. And it's funny because, you know, people hate on them in the beginning, but after a while they'll love them. And, you know, as crazy as Kanye seems sometimes with his designs, I feel like he's definitely a visionary. He sees into the future, you know, stuff that we don't see, and it normally takes a while for the rest of the world to catch up. So in the end, I definitely fell for the hype, and I purchased these shoes and didn't look back ever since. Such a comfortable shoe. If you've never worn a pair of foam runners, I definitely highly suggest that you go and cop a pair, because ever since I bought a pair for myself, I could not take them off. They're just so comfortable. It feels like you're walking on clouds, and I am definitely looking for more pairs in more colorways in the future. What do you guys think? Does this change your mind? Or do you have a pair? Let me know in the comments. As you can see, the shoes are very low profile. It doesn't have an upper, doesn't have a sole. It's completely injected in a mold. That's one piece. And you can actually see the line right here where pieces meet and form into one piece. And like many other Yeezys, it has a very retro, futuristic look and feel. I especially love the little cutouts, the vents of the shoe, because sometimes when I'm wearing sneakers for a very long time, my feet get sweaty, and I think this is a great design to air out your feet. A lot of people also call these the Yeezy version of Crocs. They're definitely very lightweight, very versatile. Even in the winter time, I'm still wearing these shoes just because they're so comfortable and easy to put on, easy to take off. They retail at about $75, $80. But for these, the sand colorway, they're currently on the resale market. They're currently at about $400. And I'm not too sure if they're gonna be restocking. I know Yeezy specifically likes to restock, so maybe they will restock in the future. But if you're unable to cop the sand colorway, I'm sure there's other colorways that will be coming out in the near future. So be on the lookout for that. That pretty much wraps up today's video. I want to thank you guys again for tuning in. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in a future video. Peace, love, and I'm out.